Hello children, welcome back to your science class. In today's class, again I'll continue with chapter 6. And today we'll start with why hot air rises up. As you know, air is the gaseous state of matter and the molecules of air are far apart, so they have maximum space between their molecules. Whenever air gets heated, the molecules of air get more energy. As a result, molecule starts moving faster, and as they move further apart from each other. Means whenever air get heated, the molecules of air move away from each other and they expand. When the air expands, it becomes less dense than the surrounding air, so they rises up. That is why the hot air becomes lighter than the air around it and it rises up. Let's learn about the formation of wind. Due to the heat of sun, the air becomes warm, and you all learned that hot air are lighter and rises up. As the warm air rises up, the surrounding cooler air starts moving and take its space. This causes a movement in air, which cause formation of wind. Means moving air is called as a wind. Let's learn more terms related to wind. Breeze. Breeze is called to a gentle wind. A strong wind is called as gale. A very strong and powerful wind accompanied with rain is called as a storm. And a storm that is occurred with thunder and lightning is called as thunderstorm. Now let's learn about land breeze, sea breeze and monsoon breeze. Children, you all know the land in the coastal areas become quite windy because of the breezes blowing from and towards the sea. These breezes blow because of hot air rising up. Let's start with sea breeze. During daytime, when sunlight comes on the earth, the land gets heated up very quickly, but the water does not get heated quickly. So the air above the land becomes warmer than the air above the water. So the warm air over the land is lighter and it starts to rise, which creates a low pressure over land. Okay, whereas the air above the water is more dense. So the cooler air above water moves towards the land to fill the space created over the land. This causes a movement of air. So the cool air that comes from the sea towards the land forms sea breeze. And children, as the cool air moves from the sea to land, it is named as a sea breeze. Next is land breeze, and the reverse process happens in the night. During night, when there is no sunlight, the land loses its heat more quickly and the water do not lose its heat very quickly and remains heated. Hence, the air over the sea is warmer than the air over the land. Means during night, the air above the sea is warm but the air above the land is cool. Now, the warm air of the sea rises up and a low pressure is created over the sea. So, the cool air from the land rushes to take the place of warm air that has rises up. This again causes a movement of air from land to sea. So, the cool breeze from the land towards the sea is known as land breeze. And children, as the cool breeze moves from the land towards the sea, that is why it is named as land breeze. Next is monsoon breeze. Monsoon breeze are the monsoon winds. These are the winds that brings rain. In hot summer days, when the winds move over the sea, they pick up the water vapor evaporated from the surface of water bodies. And when these winds move towards the land, they cool down and brings rain. Children, you must have seen ventilators and windows in homes, schools and in buildings. Do you know the role of these ventilators and windows? So as you all know, to stay healthy, we all need fresh air to breathe. And these windows and ventilators keep getting us fresh air. Have you noticed that the ventilators are always placed high up on the wall, just under the roof, whereas the windows are placed quite lower down on the walls, as it is showing in the picture. The reason is again same, that the hot air rises up. Ventilators are always placed high up so the warm air goes out from the rooms. And the fresh air are colder, they are dense, so the windows are placed quite lower down for allowing colder fresh air to enter through the windows to take up its space. It is because of this reason fans are placed on the ceiling of the room, whereas the coolers and air conditioner are placed lower so that we can get fresh air through these. So children, this is all for today. Today you learned about why hot air rises up, how wind is formed, many types of breezes. I hope you all understand clearly. Thank you everyone.